What's going on, y'all? Check it. Meatless Monday in full effect once again. And we doing eggplant pasta, y'all. And it's so tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So after we get the eggplant cut in half, we gonna go ahead and rain on them with some salt. Now, you wanna make sure that you get everything salted, even that end. And then we gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes have passed, we're gonna go ahead and dab off that moisture that the salt has pulled from the eggplant. And then we're gonna cut this into slits. Trying not to do what I did on the first cut, which is cut through the skin. And then we're gonna make like cubes. This is just gonna help us to take the eggplant off after we get it out the oven. Once again, cut it straight down. And look out, I ain't cut the skin this time. Make our cubes. After we get those cubes cut, we're gonna get it on our baking sheet. And I choose to use a piece of sheet today. Then we're gonna drizzle a little olive oil on top. So let me grab my trusty brush and brush that olive oil in. Then of course, you know we gotta go ahead and rain on them again. Put them with a little salt. And a little pepper this time. And then we're gonna get them into a 350 degree oven. So while that's in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and get 2 tablespoons of olive oil into our cast iron pan. Now I have garlic in my olive oil. Now that serves 2 purposes. It preserves the garlic and it infuses the olive oil with a garlic flavor. Then we're gonna move that oil around in our pan. And then we're gonna get in our onions and our bell peppers. Now, of course, after we get them onions and bell peppers in, you know we got to mixy mix. Then we gonna go ahead and rain on. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Then we're gonna go ahead and give that a mix, breaking up our onions as we go. Now we're gonna grab us a couple of cloves of garlic. And go and add another tablespoon of oil to it. Gonna give that a quick mix. Then we're gonna add in a can of diced tomatoes. And give that a quick mix. Now this time you want to go ahead and have your pot of water boiling, so you can go ahead and get your pasta in. Now I'm adding in half a pound of bow tie pasta, but you use whatever kind of pasta you like. And then you're gonna have to rain on that pasta water with a little salt. You gotta salt your water, y'all. Got to. And we're gonna give that a little mix just to make sure that the pasta don't stick to each other. Now after 30 minutes, our eggplant is done, so we're gonna go and get it out that oven. Now while our eggplant is cooling, we're gonna go ahead and turn our attention to our sauce, and we're gonna add in 5 bay leaves. Now I didn't get it on camera, but I added a cup of stock to this, veggie stock, y'all. And then we're gonna mix in those bay leaves. So as soon as our eggplant cools down enough where we can work with it, we're gonna go ahead and start adding that eggplant into our sauce, y'all. Now our eggplant is already cooked, so all we're trying to do here is to give it a little bit of that sauce flavor, get it combined, get them liking each other. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. Yeah, y'all, to tell you the truth, I should have waited just a little bit longer before I started messing with this eggplant. It's still a little bit too hot, but that's all right. We gonna work with them though, y'all. We gonna work with them. Once we get our eggplant in, we're just gonna mix that in. We're gonna let this simmer with that eggplant in for about a minute and a half. After that minute and a half has passed, which is no time, it's time to add in that pasta. Don't look good, y'all. Came together good. So yeah, y'all, take a look at that. Now once you add your pasta, you don't want to cook it too much longer. You don't want that pasta to get too much more heat on it. So let's go and plate up. Let me give this a taste, y'all. Let me give this a taste. Oh man, the eggplant keep running from me. There go that bite right there. Look at that bite, y'all. Look at that bite. And oh yeah, so tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.